guys, we are out on the property and we thought we'd show you where we're at on things.
We're on the property, that's where we're at.
Duh. But what's going on the property?
We're driving. I'm driving. I mean.
Well, with the house pad.
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, that does look nice.
It's ready for concrete.
So we're going to show you that. We're going to show you what's going on with the well. This is going to be the good, the bad, and the ugly.
And some of it's ugly.
And some of it's pretty ugly. So,
yes, indeed. And we're not talking about her either.
hey, that's not nice.
People know that I'm not serious about that. I could have said myself, but that wouldn't be any fun.
So,
we're not talking about me either.
We'll show you how beautiful the house pad is.
Yeah.
And then we'll show you the well that was put in. And we'll tell you about how deep it was and how all of that stuff. So we'll start with the good and then we'll go to the bad and then to the ugly. So here we go. Wow, look at that, Papa.
Yeah, looks good. Cleared all the rock out of it so you can get the proper footer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it actually looks bigger again. When all the holes were here,
Yeah.
it didn't look as big.
True.
Well, they used all our rock from over there. It looks like they used some from over there too.
Yeah.
Which is fine.
So. Huh?
Which is fine. So this is what it looks like, guys.
Yep, here's the mud room. Here's the office.
Yep. This will be our view from the office, so we'll have windows that can light our face so we don't even have to use lights a whole lot when we're doing lives and stuff, if it's light outside.
Yeah.
Here's the
Powder room, bathroom.
powder room, you know, and Mother's room right here.
Here's Mother's monstrous bedroom right here.
Yeah.
Because look, it's basically from about right up here,
Yeah.
all the way back to here.
Right.
And then, oh, somebody left their little DeWalt X-Acto knife out here.
Yep.
So this is her bathroom.
Norman, where are you going?
He's exploring.
Yep. So that's her bathroom.
Yep.
And then this would be right here, our living room, kitchen area, where those pipes are right there, our island.
The front door is basically right here.
Yeah.
This is the front door.
Yeah.
Roughly. Yeah.
And then our bathroom right there.
Yep. I would have thought they would have had more rebar in the footer.
Right.
It's not much rebar.
Well, maybe they'll be laying down more when they do it. You guys will get to see that. I'll be here when they're pouring the cement, so look for that video coming up after this one.
Okay. Okay.
Yep. So are we going over to the bad?
Well, it's not bad. It just isn't what we wanted.
Yeah.
We
Well,
might as well.
let's go see.
just hoping for better. It's not bad, but bit of an oil leak.
Yep. So there's
State of Tennessee driller tag, do not remove.
there you guys go. There is
I guess the good thing is we got the well for free and we paid $20,000 for some wire rope. Right?
Okay.
Okay, so that's screwed in to keep it, any contaminants and stuff out of it.
Right.
Well, that's it right there.
Our well.
Well, here's the well, folks. 440 feet.
440 feet is our well.
Is that loud enough?
Yeah. And how many gallons per minute?
That's a disappointment.
This is the bad.
The really, well, yeah, this sucks, actually.
Yeah.
It's not even that it's bad.
No, the really bad is the other part. How much more we need to spend.
Yeah, so this thing was only going to make, it looks like they're measuring it at half a gallon a minute. They said, do you want us to dig deeper? There's no guarantee that it's going to produce anymore. But we decided to cut our losses at this point.
Oh.
And here it is. We got what we got. So now,
And how much does this cost? Or did we?
we haven't got the bill yet, but it's going to be north of $20,000.
For half a gallon a minute.
Yeah, we could have trucked in. I could have had a water tanker delivered here every week. Well, I don't know.
Anyway. Now for the really bad. So that means we get to spend how much more?
I don't know. We got to figure it out. It's another probably, I'm thinking $5,000 to $8,000 on a catchment system. So we have plenty of water, and we need to have storage because we're not going to use 720 gallons of water a day.
Right.
But the point is, it is only going to make 720 gallons a day. It doesn't matter anything else. That's all it's going to make. So we need to have a water bank or a water storage so we can, you know, on those days we don't use much, then we got 5,000 gallons of water.
Yeah.
And we always, that way we never have to worry about it. Okay, so it's not a great producer, this well. But with rainwater and the days that we don't use as much, then we're filling the tank, and then that way we always kind of have this nice buffer. So we were going to start on our driveway this coming week, but that's going to push now because job number one is to get a water system.
That works.
Well, it's to get a water containment / storage system in place that will work.
Yeah.
So there you go. That's that.
Yep. So that is the good and the bad and the ugly of the well. So the good part are on an up or no. We start with concrete on Wednesday. So we will be filming that and bringing that to you guys.
She'll be. Well, I'm off busy slaving.
In the salt mines.
Yeah.
Poor guy. I feel
Yeah.
sorry for him.
I feel sorry for
actually,
me too, by the way.
Guys, pray for him because he is feeling the pain of the job physically. So
Yeah.
send him some prayers your way, guys. So that's the good and bad of the ugly of this video. You guys, thank you for coming out and watching this video today. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead.
What?
Is that it?
Chase your dreams. Chase your dreams. Make your dreams come true. But chase the dream maker. because without him it's all pointless. So there you go, there's that.
Yep.
So anyway, you guys have a good day. We'll see you next time, and back to work.
Back to work.